Welcome. We are going to do, play, say a story based on the book Gingerbread Baby by Jan Brett. In our story, there is a mom, a dad, a little girl in our story, and a little boy, and his name is Matti. There are also animals in our story. If you would like to play one of the people or one of the animals, you would say, "Stop, stop, I want to eat you." Let's practice that. Stop, stop, I want to eat you. And of course, they are talking to the gingerbread baby. If you would like to play the gingerbread baby, you would say, "Catch me if you can." Let's practice. Catch me if you can. A gingerbread baby? I wonder why it's a gingerbread baby. Let's find out. One day, Matti and Mom were in the kitchen and Matti said, "Mom, can we please make a gingerbread boy today?" And Mom said, "Yes, we can." So Matti got out a big blue bowl, a big spoon, and a recipe for the gingerbread boy. The recipe said to measure and to stir, 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 and then to pour, 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 and then roll, roll, roll. Matti and Mom felt they had the perfect gingerbread boy. They put the gingerbread boy in the oven. The recipe said bake a full 8 minutes, no more, no less, and please don't peek. It was hard for Matti to wait, so Mom said, "Let's count. Help us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Matti couldn't wait any longer. He opened up the oven door to peek, and instead of a gingerbread boy, out popped a gingerbread baby who danced upon the big blue bowl saying, "I'm the gingerbread baby, fresh from the pan. If you want me, catch me if you can." Just then, Dad opened the door to the kitchen. Dad said, "What is that delicious smell?" When all of a sudden, the gingerbread baby just tumbled through his legs and went outside. The mom, Dad, Matti, they cried, "Stop, stop, we want to eat you." But the gingerbread baby just said, "Catch me if you can." Then the gingerbread baby ran right past a cat. The cat said, "Hey, stop, stop, I want to eat you. Catch me if you can." The gingerbread baby ran right past a dog. "Stop, stop, I want to eat you. Catch me if you can." The gingerbread baby just kept on running and running and running and running until he ran past a little girl who said, "Stop, stop, I want to eat you. Catch me if you can." Meanwhile, Matti was at home making something very special. The gingerbread baby just kept on running, and he soon ran past a pig. And the pig said, "Stop, stop, I want to eat you. Catch me if you can. Then the gingerbread baby smelled something very familiar and started running towards the woods. Uh-oh, when all of a sudden, out came a sly old fox. The fox said, "Stop, stop, I want to eat you." But the gingerbread baby just said, "Catch me if you can." And the gingerbread baby just kept on running and running and running until, in the woods, there was a gingerbread house. Soon, Mom, Dad, the little girl, and all the animals came to the woods. But all that they saw were crumbs. Mom and Dad said, "Oh no, we are going to have to tell Matti that all that we found were crumbs." Well, they went home and they said, "Oh, Matti, it looks like you have been busy." "We are so sorry, Matti. We could not find the gingerbread baby." Matti said, "That's okay," and went back in the house. And he was the one that could hear the gingerbread baby saying, "I'm the gingerbread baby, lucky as can be, to be living in a house that Matti made for me." Thank you so much for playing. You were awesome.